Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV Channel 98 on top of GoTV. We dey talk and say Thursdays na the day of parliament, that is to say, we go throw open our windows and our doors, allow everybody contribute to find solution to one particular problem. One, when they cause plenty problem inside obodo Nigeria, na the issue of cultism. We don't talk and say, it don't affect us for society, or it dey be like say we dey manage am. But for senior man for police to come and talk say the way when we say they don't dey see things, it don't dey enter inside primary school. Now it means say the future of this our country threat don't they, because these children are then supposed to be the leaders of tomorrow. If they don't dey involved for cult related activities,
at this early stage, exactly. Chukwudi, okay, so you get what you talk. You say the issue of cultism, say we also need to look at from the top. What they try to talk from the top, they say, okay, even government officials, okay, maybe we can bring it down to when election they play out. You go see, say, suddenly, during the period of election, just like they unleash some set of people, thugs, you understand? Maybe they come, they cause big, they cause wahala for during the election period.
Very true.
All the while way society they move on, where election never they involved, where and all we not say yes, we get issues of violence, and say some people will be say there some norms will be say where they go wrong. But during that period, during the period of election, just like they unleash them, and then while all this is they play out, government they involved, they need to address them, which means somehow we also need to look the relationship between Togri and government is somehow
very
because
true.
now that thing we also need to look.
Very true.
We got Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us from Amsterdam. Good morning.
Good morning. I greet you now.
We greet you too, Oga Bobby.
Oga Bobby, if nobody say you get the OAT, they have say we miss you, but if we talk say we miss you, I know say you go vex, but just continue.
Well, they watch you now. Every day they watch you now.
And about as we hear your contribution all the way from Amsterdam, the thing they make the thing they smooth now.
If I they call, sometimes they go they not go get through.
We are no vex. Continue.
Not be not be I try to call, but they get through sometimes.
Okay.
Anyway, about this Kofra something, I don't know also. I also in own color.
Yeah, now what you call her?
Yeah, Naim.
Okay, now this thing, Abi. The people when they join all those things, man, are not look that they are smart enough. You understand me now? Because as I did, when I was younger, I do some stupid things, but I not say I can't do that kind of stupid thing where these people will do. Because as I did now, I don't go to join anything where we say, not going to bring source of income to me. You understand me now? So not be violent thing. If you even look at those American mafia, they do the thing to get money, not before say violence. Now when they say their interest, you jump into their interest, not to get money, or you chop from them, then the violence come into it. But for them not to get money. But Nigeria holds not to keep people to do stupid things. So it makes sense to everybody. I don't see anyway when we say, hey, go join something, say because it's for violence. It does not make sense. That's what I see for inside. It doesn't make sense. Those of them, when they send them, if not me, I go think the thing now. Person they send me, they go something, they go do party. You may think you as a human being yourself, you don't go think the only this person they send me, they go do something. It makes sense to me. Or because they fight over girlfriend matter. So those are the things when they say, they make sense to anybody. It doesn't make a moral sense.
So Oga Bobby, how we go take fit solve this particular problem when we say it don't even come reach level like Oga okay talk, it don't even enter inside government say if you know that this click, you know go fit join some kind of office them.
Yes, so the thing they say charity begins at home. That be the English when they speak. Charity begins at home. Now when parents they tell children say this thing not good though, therefore school too, they go give them the reason why they say this thing not good. You will give them the option. The option of say, give them the reason, say, this is what the person they tell you something you do, think yourself, whether it makes sense to you. You understand me now? Then you think of the other side of it, whether it makes sense.
Okay, Bobby.
So you get
Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you very much for that contribution. And we don't hear your own part of the story. And you also tell us at least when you grow up, you do some bad things. But even at that I know even Jija say make you go do it. Join one kind court group and all that. We get Oga DANBI. DANBI they call us from PH Port Harcourt. Good morning, DANBI. DANBI, good morning. DANBI, I beg, bring down the volume of your television if they hear us.
Hello.
Hello, DANBI, will they hear you?
Okay. Yes. In addition of what OK says.
Okay.
And in addition of what I said the first time.
Okay.
What I mean now, if you start in River State, if you want to fight cultism in River State, you have to tread from the top, according to OK.
Okay.
So the whole high politicians we have in Port Harcourt, we have in River State, they all are sponsoring cultism in River State. They all have guns. They buy guns and give them. They are the sponsors. So if Nigeria wants to fight cultism in Nigeria, mostly in River State, they should start from the top, from the politicians, and they should wait until they should hold them responsible. They are the ones that sponsor cultism in River State.
Oga DANBI, thank you very much for this. Oga Gandhi, thank you very much for this your contribution. And you already talk and say he gets some kind of people who say they're for some kind big place, and then they use money
they
to sponsor them. So it go very, very good when we get people who get plenty power using law and also using government to ensure say these bad people they don't continue to despoil this our society for their own good. See why they call us all the way from Ijesha. Oga CY, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, how you doing?
I dey greet you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, CY.
I dey greet you. Nkubi, you dey greet you to dey pass you. That's so.
You say what it?
I dey greet you.
With the answer. Good morning.
I dey fine. So this cutting of a thing wey dey talk. For my president on last week Saturday, for our state like this. Now so students.
For where? For where?
For Ijesha through lady here.
Okay.
Some group of boys, just the position of that group of boys. We self will be the young men way there outside, just use our old men, just look, say, this be like, say, again, within the apple. As we follow the rich express, we can't just shun them, stop, because that small boys will grow for our president now. This one they tell you, the eldest person there now is 15, 17. See bottles where they go inside their body. What happened? He said those one beat one of him brothers. So like group, because only him follow commot, his own cabal go attack him. Now they don't want to attack their own cabal.
Back.
Just small children. Immediately all our men went there was sealed. That's why we carry can lead all of them down. Come out the whole bottles, flog them. Push all of them. Don't say that just put fraction on their face immediately. Again, one thing I take like Nigerians, we Nigerians, if we want to fight against this thing, just like the other day we talk about 45 increment, now everybody protest this one. If we want to do and really want to do it, if we come out, any place, room, parlor, street, where you see the sign of this cultist of a thing, you fight against it. If you come for school, you leave school now, the time when I did school. You wait there inside school, you pass the exam. Lecturer go tell you, say if you not give them money, you no go fit pass the paper. And when you come outside, they explain the feeling to your friends. They go tell you, say which lecturer, come make I carry you go where them go blend you. Tomorrow we go just tell the lecturer. Papa go just pass the paper. They don't born away for this school. How would they control things for this school? Nkubi, now you go fill your paper. Just something like that. These lecturers can go put people who go to investigate them. If your sister can't tell you, say one lecturer won't sleep with her before you go pass for in paper. Nkubi, you know go carry your own men, go beat and tear out the paper, tear everything about them.
See why we don't hear your own contribution.
Make Nigeria start from those people. If they go,
very true.
See why?
Thank you very much for
your
contribution. Say, as a people, we suppose unite against what is very, very bad. No, we no continue to condone them. We get Oga ALOZIE, and they call us all the way from Enugu State. Oga ALOZIE, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
ALOZIE, good morning. ALOZIE, you there?
I did here. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga ALOZIE. Right over there, hear you. I beg, continue.
On two parties of that nature. You know, parties started from the beginning. You know, some of our leaders, they are the parties we have in this country. If we can be able to describe all of them from, hello?
We dey hear, we dey hear.
If we can be able to describe all these causes from the top, you will see that from the left, everything will go. You understand? We talked like last 2 or 3 weeks ago in New Haven, in Enugu here. One guy, you see how they shoot this guy, a confident guy. If you see how they shoot this guy, nearly the guy, without God's grace, this guy would have died. Even the guy is still there on hospital. If we can be able to describe this thing from top, because some of these our legislators, they are the people who enter courses and enter from then they keep sponsoring all these our boys to be a court, sponsoring these our boys to be some of their bad members. If we can be able to describe them from top, the courses will go.
Oga ALOZIE, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't talk and say, as parents they do their best to see say they train children well. We must also ensure say those when they top, when they give money to sponsor this particular badness, say we also check them so that wahala no go there for our society. We get Jesse. Jesse, they call us all the way from Warri. Jesse, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Jesse, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jesse.
Good morning.
I greet you, Oga Jesse.
Yeah. About this cultism matter, the people, they talk different opinions, say the politicians, now they sponsor them. But the truth is that the parents hold the country a bigger duty too. Because if you train your picking well, you're not going to be influenced and going to cultism. Because everybody knows cultism is a demonic issue. But we don't hear the politicians that they involve into the matter. We did get the wisdom to play if we not allow them to influence us. You understand? Maybe money be everything. At least good name is better than riches.
Yes.
If all those young boys, all those students, they know the purpose why their parents send them go school, primary school. They don't know say yes. They feel they better for them. All of us when they talk today, we know that one way or the other, we fight each other. We do one thing, one bad to the other. But I will not go to the essence when nowadays children, they go into one make money by all means. They want to be in the speed, the faster lane. And they call the problem for the and it's like the politician, the room, put the base up from jail to come do a rig for them. If all of us today put hands together, share our children with the fear of God, and today, we're not going to see all this rubbish that apart for the street. Now I say make I chip in.
Thank you very much for this important contribution. This one when you don't chip in, that's something where we say, it just be like say you just take style, address everything. And you talk about the parents, they get role to play because whether you like them or not, and our papa and mama go born pikin. And most times, starting from when the pikin small, he go spend plenty time with the parents. Now the kind is when they put for him body, and the pikin go learn. And also, you carry and go the area of religious institutions because you talk about say the fear of God. Our own religious institutions self suppose they teach say pikin when do well, and they go reward them for the good when you do. Not be just for heaven, but also for life. And teachers also get greater responsibility. I remember the time when we say growing up as a child, if they tell you say they go report you to your teacher, you go begin to cry. Yeah. Or pikin they believe say their teacher no fit do anything wrong because they think say this teacher he know everything and everything when he talk now be the right thing. And our government must also ensure because some of the problems we get for our society they cause all these kind of things when we say young person go look say he won't find way when we say if he react to problems of society I no get work make I join this group make they give me protection make we dey rob people and make we dey support one particular politician if people get wetin dem dey do gainfully employed person wey dey able bodied wey fit carry weapon e dey gainfully employed you no go get time to talk say you wan do bad thing and bad people wey be say dem dey high for high places for government when they try they see say okay and then they put this thing for people body make them stop to dey do am e no good at all. Quickly we go rush enter inside break. When we go this break come back from where we stand it go be the final bus stop. We go just overlook all of the whole issues where we say come from this particular cultism and focus on the solutions alone. No go anywhere now still AS E DEY HOT. Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. From where we stand so now the final bus stop on top of AS E DEY HOT 9 we dey and we don't already talk and say all of the problems when they come up from cultism we don't identify them all the political assassination or armed robbery, thuggery and every other bad thing when they come with them. We don't talk about focusing on profiling solutions to the problems. Our people wey don come, we appreciate all the solutions wey una don carry come. For people wey talk say na papa dem, na dem get the role to play, and mama dem. People wey talk about teachers, and people wey also talk about religious institutions and the government. We don see say everybody get role to play. If we do our own small role, no matter the thing take small, everything go join together into something big, and we go fit safeguard the future. If we gree say for the past 60 years, we don dey live our life one way because of bad thing wey come through cultism, from today we fit correct am, make we see say our country dey okay. We get Mrs. Richard, they call us all the way from Alagbado. Mommy Richard, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning.
We greet you.
Oh, the thing that has to be. I be mother, not only mother, grandmother. We as mothers and women in this nation, we don't fail our responsibility. We fail woefully. If we feel nip the thing from the board, we feel able to take care of these children. Now, the Bible says, train a child in the way he will go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it.
True.
We they pursue money up and down. I don't say money bad though, but then neglect our responsibilities. What do you expect? This thing will come back, confront us. That is what we are passing through now in this country. That is why we have, you think say most of these political thoughts we get now from parents, from home, from mothers. Mothers no one sit down again, take care of children for home. They look for Naira and Kobo. This Naira and Kobo, where they carry and go.
So, Mrs. Richard, as a mother and grandmother, you they talk say, we know say money they very, very important too, but this money we will not fit carry go anywhere. If we pursue them too much, leave our pikin. Tomorrow when the pikin suppose they respect us or take care of us or make us proud for our society, now bad thing,
the same line, and the thing when I talk with that, you they understand. And apart from
But Mrs. Richard, you should notice say we supposed get balance, proper balance for this.
Give me 1 second, make I talk. After that one,
okay.
If the I beg.
Would they hear you?
After that one, wetin happen when the children go school? Which kind of people dey school when they take care of these children? In those days, when you do something wrong, then beat you. Not get mad to go tell your papa and your mom for house so then beat you. Share your understand. You not get mouth. So the solution be say make everybody, children, now everybody get them.
Yes.
Where pikin go wrong, then begin the discipline them right from there. And parents, may they not condone rubbish. Now because parents they condone rubbish, now it makes things they go bad. Especially mothers. Pikin, you know, fit out to pikin, fight quarrel pikin. They go down. You go tie or job for belle. You don't work out school. They go do it. They go fight teacher. For wetin? So these things now, I they look and say mothers now we fail. If we want this nation to become what God wants them to be, we go back to our drawing board. Go back to teach these children properly. Bring them up in the way that tomorrow, when they look back, they're going to say, now the mama did that. Now the grandmother did that. Then you, as parents, you go get peace of mind. The country go get peace of mind. Neighbors, everybody around go get peace of mind. This is my contribution.
Thank you very much
for this your important contribution. There's no point where could they overemphasize on what you don't talk
like mama
you don't
and
finish
grandmother
matter for this discussion. We get Oga Stanley all the way from Akwa Ibom. Oga Stanley, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning.
We greet you, Oga Stanley.
Hello, good morning.
Would they hear you?
Me myself, I won't contribute for this matter because me just see the reason. So, what did they cause all this program are peer groups? Now the kind friends they keep, now they cause all this kind cultism of a thing. If your pikin go school, if you come back, tell him be which friend you get. They can invite the friend come out. So you didn't know the kind friend where they keep. You investigate, you check as the guy be. If the guy is a better person, you approve him for your friend, your pikin. But if you're a bad person, say now which you notice, just tell your pikin say you don't like that guy. Say you don't want to see him again with that guy.
But,
so you check the kind friend.
Stanley, may I quickly ask you this question? If they talk say peer group, make we also ask ourselves, say, these people will also describe as say, okay, this picking no good, they make no they follow. Then be picking of somebody else. Maybe no. Then be these people will say we go fit tell our kids, say, no John, don't follow this picking waka, say na bad person, you no get good character. Say now also picking of somebody else. But how we go fit find a central solution for parents to so that at least no picking go fall victim of say even they join court eventually.
wetin still cause am na some parents dey neglect their children. They no dey give their children proper attention wey they need. From childhood, from infant, you're supposed to dey give your pikin utmost attention first. They teach them the moral values, everything, the societal value, everything. Make I not say this one bad, make I not say this one good. That be the most vital thing for this society.
Okay, Stanley, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And we go thank all our callers them when call for different parts of Nigeria to Chukma for inside this particular discussion. We go collect Habib to use and wrap up.
Oga Bobby, they call us back for the second time. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning.
Yes.
I will make a sharp. Okay. Those of them, if you say that if you say violent, that be the way for them. Maybe they go jump boxing or kickboxing or any sport when we say violent. So maybe they release their anger. I think that is the only way for them to go. So that's my solution.
Thank you very much
for this your particular solution where you don't talk say if you feel say you get too much power, make you kuku dey fight karate or taekwondo so that the thing go come up for your body. But we go continue to discuss all of these vices when they are society. It is very, very important, especially if certain people don't come they identify say this is a problem. If somebody when be saying a senior person for police, they talk say this thing when they enter primary school,
primary school,
very, very careful.
It is scary, very, very scary.
The children when they are primary school and then go grow up to become leaders for inside this our Nigeria. As Nigerians, we will continue to talk. As parents, we will do our own work. As teachers, we will do our work. We will demand government to do more. At the end of the day, if society better, now all of us will go better for. Until we come back again, when be tomorrow, Friday, to discuss all the things we don't carry come this week with small chops on top. We go thank una, say una watch and una call. Una bye-bye.
Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.